Hi friends, happy Independence Day to all. I am CA Hanumantrao Chaudhary. Today I am going to talk about the tax reforms in India. What is the tax reforms implemented in India? Transparent taxations. What do you mean by transparent taxations? Transparent taxations means whatever documents we are submitted through all online and whatever order is passed through online, there is a very transparent of the orders. Anyone can see the orders, so it's very transparent due to online systems. And second, honoring the honest taxpayers means ईमानदार taxpayer को सम्मान करने का means respect the honest taxpayers. And fourth one, faceless assessments and faceless appeals. Faceless assessments means previously when income tax notice we issued, we are submitting the documents hard copy, means ground of appeals, facts of the appeals and all documents, supporting documents we are submitting hard copy visiting the income tax departments. But after implementation of the faceless assessments, no need to visit the income tax offices. You can upload all your documents through online. What is the faceless appeals? Previously also we are filing appeals offline. Now we can file all documents related to appeals through online from the 25th of the September. It's very good initiative taken by the governments. So it's very good for the departments as well as the assessees. Fifth one, taxpayer charters. What do you mean by the taxpayer charters? In taxpayer charters, the government given some authority and responsibility to the assessee as well as the departments. So one should take the self-disciplines decisions to pay the taxes. Sixth one, easy compliance. Due to online systems, it's very easy to comply. Previously, we are filing our income tax returns, submitting the hard copy to the departments. It's very difficult task filing the hard copy. We are waiting in the lines and the last day. Now we are even last day we are filing returns by sitting in our office. Startingly we are facing very difficult and some error in the forms and uploading, but now everyone smoothly they are filing returns through online. The same system implemented for scrutiny and appeals. We should welcome this policy of the government. This is very beneficial to everyone. The main purpose of the reforms is banking the unbanking, securing the unsecure, and funding the unfunding. There are three types of tax reforms we can categorize. First one is seamless. What do you mean by seamless? System should be solutions oriented, not it should be problem created. The systems and officers, they are guiding us, they are giving the solution to complete the assessment procedures. And painless. The system should not be pain to the assessee and the department. Due to use of the technology and rules, we all are very simple. Due to that, our pain will be reduced. Faceless assessments. What is the faceless assessment? We recently discussed what is the faceless assessment. No need to visit the income tax departments. We all documents we can submit through online. Previously, we are visiting the departments, that is very waste of times of departments as well as the representative assessee, representative of the assessees and even if assessee is representing, but that time also now it will be saving. And suppose if you are doing the appeal in the Pune, we visit the Pune department office, income tax offices for submitting the appeal documents. But due to online systems, faceless systems, now Pune cases can be handled by any state officers. So there is no any personal interactions between the assessees and the officers. It's very good decisions by the departments. Any state officers can handle the scrutiny. Even they don't know the name of the assessee, they don't know about the officer the name. So that is very good things because there is no any personal interactions. So it's very good initiative taken by the departments. And the review will also done by some other officers. So it's very good initiatives taken by the departments to do the fast processing of the scrutiny and appeal. Today we'll stop it here for the updates. We'll meet again with new updates. Thank you very much.